Even the most cautious and careful drivers cannot control events outside of their vehicles. That's why numerous road users experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now they can actually do something about it and use cameras to help identify dangerous drivers. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey. But with several companies offering dash cams, are you confused which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dash Cam, today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera that can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get unmatched clearer footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove App to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving location and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K Dash Cam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 GB, Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. This dash camera for cars is backed by a full 1-year warranty. Or if you're having any doubts, it comes with a full refund within 30 days. So choose the Rove Dash Cam to secure your drive to a safer future.